Hey, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. I'm gonna kick your butt in less than 5 minutes. Let's do it. Alright, so I have just a small little stepper here. I have a kettlebell on here so it don't move because it's that small. A big stepper up against the wall would be fine. But basically what I'm gonna do is Lord of the Dance. I'm gonna put one foot here and just go over to the other one, so just pop. So it's just some toe taps and I'm just gonna. Alright? So we're gonna do that for 30 seconds. So then I got a Bosu ball and a mat. So I'm gonna get down in a plank position. I've got this Bosu ball up here. We can set up anything. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna be in a push-up position and I've got 30 seconds of alternating, hitting that. And then immediately after that 30 seconds, I'm gonna go into a plank. Now the plank, you can stay here on your hands, or you can go down to your full arms for the plank. Try not to get the higher we get. It's not as effective on our core, but whichever way you do it, to do the 30 seconds. So we got 30 seconds, there, 3 rounds. Less than 5 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. core workout. Did you make it all the way through? If you didn't, that's fine. Try to push yourself to make it all the way through. Made it all the way through, no problem. Knock out 5 rounds. Make sure you check out all our other videos. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tell all your friends. Trying to educate people about getting healthier. And always remember, don't sit, get fit.